Hi, I'm Candy Tolentino, author of the book, How to Win the Game of Life After 40. And in case you haven't heard, yes, I am giving away a completely free trip to Bali. Bali, Indonesia, one of my favorite places in the entire world. And I'm obsessed with travel. I've been everywhere from South Africa to North Africa, Morocco to all over Europe, Spain, Greece, Italy, UK. I love London, to Central South America, Hawaii. I've seen beautiful places. I've had fun, but nothing in the world, for me, touches on the mystery, the energy, the healing power, the artistry, the food, the culture of Bali. So why am I giving away a free trip? Well, because I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to join me and see how incredible it is for yourself. And of course, I'm celebrating the launch of my new book. So maybe you don't like paradise. Maybe this trip isn't for you, but I'm positive you know someone who can use a new lease on life. You know someone who deserves to get away. Maybe he or she is going through a hard time. Maybe you have a mother, brother, father, sister, daughter, aunt, someone who would be thrilled to win an all-expense-paid trip to one of the most beautiful, exotic, healing, adventurous, fun, uplifting places on the planet. And everything I mentioned is included: massage treatments, tours. You get to be immersed in the local culture. You get to go on excursions at the beach and in the jungle. You get the top-rated cooking class. You get workshops on empowerment, and so much more. So stop the video right now, stop watching, and text someone who you love and tell them to go to candytolentino.com to enter for this free giveaway. And entries are unlimited. You share this video, you get an extra entry. You make your own Facebook post, extra entry. You share my Facebook post, extra entry. You can get 2,000 entries. It's up to you. But everyone on my mailing list will have a chance, because I will choose someone on Facebook Live randomly. So anyone on my mailing list has a chance at being chosen for this free, all expenses paid trip that will change your life, I promise. So thank you for watching, and I will see you in Bali.